What's up, guys? It's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to show you how to do the August Smart Home Lock on HomeKit. So let's dig on into the app here. And first things first, you're going to go all the way to the device settings or lock settings and make sure you got that right lock. And you're going to go down to the HomeKit tab. Now, if you don't have HomeKit set up, that's something I can show you how to do on another video. It's pretty easy. It's really just installing the HomeKit app. But they give you two options. You can continue with My Home, and if you had a different one, you could select a different household. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and click continue. I only have one household. And then now it's going to be asking me to remove the plate or the faceplate off the August Smart Home Lock. And how you do that is you're just going to push down on it. It's going to pop off. And then on the back of that front plate is actually where you can scan the barcode registering the lock. And you can see there, it's pretty simple. You're just going to click the button Add Lock, and then it'll start to connect to the lock. And that takes about 20-30 seconds. You're going to want to make sure that you do have the batteries installed at this point, because it won't be able to connect if the batteries aren't installed or powered. So that's something that you would have to look for. There you go. You can see on the top it registered to my system. And I'm going to choose the location that I want it. So you can see a bunch of different options. I'm going to go ahead and go with the kitchen here. And then for me, this lock is actually in the back. So I'll just call it back lock or back door. Either one of those works. And then now let me show you what it looks like in HomeKit. So that's the lock. And then you can see right there, you can click it on, off to unlock and lock. But it's that simple, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And in the description, I've got the link to the lock. Thanks, guys.